Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a tweet urged people to have a look at the Ayush Ministry protocol and make it a part of your lives and share it with others. The directions talks about simple measures that one can take in order to boost one's immunity.
Hi, I'm Sonia, an experienced nutritionist and a diet counselor. Welcome to our channel of Explore Body, Mind and Soul, where we strive to provide overall holistic development. As you all know, coronavirus has taken hold of our lives and is getting worse day by day. Even after so many restrictions and lockdowns, it is easy to fall prey to this pandemic. Along with the guidelines given by WHO and Ayush Ministry, I am here to share my experiences as a nutritionist to boost your immunity so as to make sure that your body is always at its strongest to ward off any such disease-causing agent. I will go over extremely easy to implement changes in your lives so that you can supercharge your immunity with minimal effort. Before we dive in, I would request you to share the video with your near and dear ones so that they can also get the benefit, and also give a thumbs up if you find it useful. Easy to perform Ayurvedic procedures which cleanse our body are nasal application, that is to apply sesame oil or coconut oil in both the nostrils in morning and evening. Second is oil pulling therapy, that is to take 1 tablespoon of coconut or sesame oil and swish in your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it and rinse with warm water. This may be practiced once or twice a day. It's the best mouthwash as these oils are known for their antimicrobial properties with no chemicals. Although immunity can't be developed overnight, but following certain measures would aid the process. Here are few guidelines given by Ayush Ministry for the same. First and foremost, drink warm water throughout the day and avoid cold or refrigerated water. Second, include spices like turmeric, that is haldi, cumin, that is jeera, coriander, that is dhania, and garlic, that is lasun in your diet in any form. Best way to include these spices can be in form of herbal tea or decoction, that is kada. Have it once or twice in a day. Now, let's see how to make this herbal tea. 2 inch of cinnamon stick in powdered form, also known as dalchini, 9 to 10 leaves of holy basil or tulsi, 7 to 8 corns of black pepper in powdered form, 2 munakkas or 4 to 5 raisins, 1 inch of turmeric, that is your pure form of turmeric known as kachi haldi. If not available, simply take the turmeric powder available in your kitchen, 6 to 7 pieces of cloves or long, grated ginger or adrak, jaggery according to your taste, half a lemon. Add 3 cups of water. Now add all the ingredients one by one and keep on a high flame. Let it come to a boil, then simmer for another 5 minutes at low flame for proper assimilation of all the spices into water. Pour into cup and add jaggery or honey as per your taste. Also add a few lemon drops. Have this drink once or twice a day. This is considered as an immunity boosting drink. As I have already discussed in my last video, these spices are no less than a blessing to keep infections at bay because of their antimicrobial properties.
Consume these while cooking, baking, or with desserts, salads, fruits, etc. I have listed all the spices in the description section below. Have traditional golden milk made up of half teaspoon turmeric powder in 150 ml of hot milk once or twice a day. And fourth recommendation is to consume 10 grams of Chyawanprash, an ancient Ayurvedic concoction balanced with all medicinal herbs once a day, preferably in morning. Sugar-free Chyawanprash is also available for diabetics. The Ayurvedic herbs Giloy and Ashwagandha aid to boost our immunity. Fifth point, which everyone is well acquainted with, is to practice yoga, pranayam, and meditation for at least 30 minutes a day. Stress suppresses our immunity. Pranayam and meditation not only reduce our stress levels, cleanse our lungs as well. Although exercise is great to fight infections, but 8 hours of sleep is mandatory for a healthy body. But in case you feel any symptoms like dry cough, sore throat, or throat irritation, you must inhale steam with fresh mint, that is pudina, or caraway seeds, that is ajwain, once a day. This therapy aids to kill the foreign particles. Important point here is that time limit shouldn't exceed 10 minutes. This therapy can be practiced for cleansing after visiting a crowded or a polluted place, even if there are no symptoms. Secondly, consume clove powder mixed with pure organic honey 2 to 3 times a day. Cloves not only contain many nutrients but are also high in antioxidants, have antibacterial properties, improve liver health, and regulate blood sugar levels. It is certainly a Ramban as far as boosting immunity is concerned. So these were the recommendations given by Ayush Ministry, but these were just the preventive measures, not the cure. Now I am going to share a few more points through my experience. How can we not talk about vitamin C while discussing immunity developing food? Vitamin C not just enhances immune response but overall health. Vitamin C also plays a significant role in absorption of iron, making it even more imperative to be acquainted with this powerful nutrient. Have you ever thought, why are we deficient in certain micronutrients like iron, zinc and calcium even though we consume a healthy diet? The reason is simple, that we hardly bother to pair iron-rich food with vitamin C. So next time whenever you have your meal, please pair with any of the sources of vitamin C to minimize the losses. Now let's discover many such astonishing facts about vitamin C. First and foremost, unlike other nutrients, vitamin C cannot be made by our body. So it is important to form essential component of our diet. Second, cooking in water and at high temperature destroys vitamin C to a great extent because it's a water soluble vitamin. Thirdly, it may disappear in liquid form because of oxidation. Let me explain with the help of an example. Freshly squeezed orange juice contains plenty of vitamin C. However, if we leave it out long, it may all disappear. Fourth astonishing fact is, as it is a water soluble vitamin, it is not stored in the body. So we need to ensure that we get recommended amount regularly. RDA of vitamin C for every age group has been mentioned in the description box below. Wake up early and expose your body to pure morning sunlight without applying any sun blocking agent or sunscreen. 20 minutes of sunshine daily with over 40% of skin exposed is required to prevent vitamin D deficiency. You will be shocked to know that approximately 40 to 99% of population is vitamin D deficient. Now, as usual, it's time for 2 golden tips. Although turmeric itself contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties, but intake of turmeric along with a pinch of black pepper enhances its impact 2000 times. Second golden tip is, Intake of tea and coffee along with the meals and iron-rich food should be avoided as it inhibits the absorption of iron because of tannins and polyphenols present in these beverages.
Hope you have explored lot many new facts today and will keep on exploring with us in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Keep exploring, keep sharing. Bye.